Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add templates on CapCut. Now let's begin. Right now I'm on the homepage of CapCut and I have already logged in. If you haven't logged in, I recommend you to log in right now. Now let's create a project. Let's click on this Create New button, and from here you can select a blank canvas, a 16:9 ratio canvas, or anything. It's all up to you. But for now, I'm gonna select the blank canvas one. Let's click on it. Now that our project has loaded, we need to add a template to our timeline. The process of what to do is, let's focus on the left hand side of the screen and you will find something called as templates. Let's click on it. Now here are multiple templates available for you, which you can search for easily. And if you want to search for some specific templates, here is the search button. Let's search for anything. Now here are lots of templates related to my search. If you want to look at these templates, simply hover over the template, and at the bottom right of the template you will find something like this button. Click on it and you will see the template itself. If you are satisfied with the template, simply click on Add to Timeline. Or if you're simply satisfied by looking at the video out here, you can simply click and drag. Now the template is in our timeline and we want to edit it. Let's click on the template and you will find something like a Edit Template button. Click on it and let's hover over the clips. You can replace the clips right here. Let's click on Replace. And from here you can replace any video as you wish. And that's it guys, that's how you add templates to your CapCut project. Hope you guys found this video useful, and for more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.